Now let's see some of the functions of the list data structure. So the first function is sort. Let's create a simple list A. Now I want to sort this list, so I can use dot sort. I don't need to put any argument if I want to sort them incrementally. So in this way, now here we should notice something, that A has been changed permanently. That means the value of A is not the original anymore. So if we want to keep the original value of A, we can use the Python function sorted. So let's go back and A again. So A now it's in original form, as you see. So instead of using sort, we can say sorted, and the A should be given as an argument between the parentheses in this way, and then we press return. So in this way we get this sorted copy. However, A is not changed. The second function is remove. So we can remove an item. For example, A dot remove, and we choose a value like 6.4. So we give the value, the item. So if we check A, we see that 6.4 now has been removed. And also the size of the list has been reduced to the existing elements. The next one is pop. So A dot pop, and we need to put the index now. For example, if we choose to remove the 0, so it is the fourth element. That means its index is 3. So we put 3 here. And we notice something, that unlike remove, pop has given us the value of the removed item. For example, if we say t equals to a dot pop 2, so if we check t is 1, because the third item, which has index 2, is 1 in the list. So what pop has done is just removed the item, and t has the value saved in it. Also, we have insert, which is the opposite of remove and pop. Insert inserts an item or a value at a given position. For example, a dot insert, and let's say position 2, and the item 9. So if we inspect A, we see that 9 is added to the position or the indexed 2. Append is used to add elements to the end of the list. So the difference between insert and append doesn't take the location or an argument for position or index. It just adds the element to the end of the existing list. We say append, and we say like 10. So A now has the element 10 at the very end. Another useful function is extend. So extend, similar to append, but it adds an iterable. That means another list. So for example, if we say B, and we say a dot extend B, so A now is extended by adding the additional elements from the list B. In and not in are operators used to check whether an element or a value is inside a container like a list. So we can check, for example, when we say 6 in A. So it's a true, because 6 is a member of A. But if we say like 50 in A, so it is false, because 50 is not a member of A. Also, not in could be used oppositely. So if we say 50 not in A, it will be true. And if we say 6 not in A, it will be false, because it is the opposite. So not here is the way to negate a logical response of in. Finally, delete. It's used to delete a whole list from the memory of, or the shell of Python. So, for example, if we say A, delete A, and we check A, it say A is not defined.